Hi everyone, welcome to Polariz.ai. We are on a mission to make speech support more accessible and affordable. If you are a parent or caregiver of a child with speech or learning delays, Polariz.ai gives you personalized, interactive practice right at home. And the best part is that there is no waitlist or stress involved. My name is Rose, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Polariz.ai and get started in just a few minutes. First of all, go to your navigation bar and type Polariz.ai. That should bring you to our homepage. As you can see, on the left-hand side, you have the login form. At the bottom of it, you have a sign up button where you can click on it, and it should bring you to our login form. To create an account, you have to fill in this form with your email, a password, first name, last name, how you want to sign up, whether as a parent or a speech coach or a content creator. And of course, you have the access code. Right now, Polariz.ai is in closed beta. So if you do want access and want to use Polariz.ai, please feel free to email us at admin@polariz.ai for the access code. For the purpose of this video, I made a demo email, which I will use to create the account to show you how you can do the same. p.user.polariz at gmail.com. Password, let me create one really quickly here. Okay, first name Rose, last name, let me put in my last name. I would like to sign up as parent for this video. And then I do have an access code that I'll put in here, but again, remember, you have to email admin@polariz.ai if you do need an access code. Once I have the access code, I'll create the account. After you do that, you should get a message at the right hand side at the bottom saying account is created. Please check your email to verify your account. Now we can go to our email and verify our account. So let's do that. I'm in my email right now, and as you can see, there's a verify your email from Polariz. So let's click on that. As we go all the way down, there is a button that says verify my email. Either we can click on that or we can copy paste the link that has been given. Let's just click on the email. And here you go. You're all set. And that's it. You're all set. You're now ready to help your child start their first session with Polariz.ai. I hope this video was helpful. In the next video, I'll introduce you to our AI speech coach and our human speech coaches and show you how you can work alongside them to support your child's progress. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.